Welcome to the cooler report. Today I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand, the 3-door coolers. Let me give you the overall sizes first. For the entire length, about like a 78.5 inches long. And the overall height of the unit is about like 80 inches. And the depth of the units include the front handlebars. They are about like a 31 inches deep. So as we can see, the units come with 3 glass doors. They are double layered. And when we look in the front, we can see the controllers at the bottoms. They have a small digit temperature displays and have a setting functions, adjust the temperatures, and also having the lockers on each of the door. And the units coming with the diagram information at the back of the bottoms. And we're also having the switchers at the back. They come in with standard 110 plugs, and compressor also mounted at the bottom too. So let me give you the inner side dimensions. When we open the door, we can see they have a LED light strips on the side, and also have a ETL sanitation stickers, circling fans on top, and also have a banner LED light switchers right here. For the inner side, they are about like a 74 inches in the length. The clearance of the engine is about like a 48 inches. And the depth of the shelvings for this area about like a 23 inches deep. For all the shelvings, they come in with a 5 layer on each sections, and for each sections adjustable heights. Also have a price tags, the stickers holders here. Also for the shelvings, this unit coming with the bottom holders. You can put in like this way, and you can adjust the heights from behind to making it have angles to claim it, and you can making the bottles drop down automatically. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you have more detailed questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.